In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom status on Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to set up reusable status suggestions that save time and keep your team in the loop. First, open Slack and look to the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see your profile icon there. That's your personal hub for settings and quick actions related to your account. Click your profile icon to open the menu. This is the same place you might go to adjust preferences or view your profile. But today, we're focusing on your status. From that menu, select Update Your Status. This opens a small panel dedicated to your current status. It's a simple space where you'll see what, if anything, you're sharing with your team about your availability or what you're working on. Think of your status as a quick headline that helps colleagues understand whether you're available, focused, or stepping away. Keeping this updated makes collaboration smoother and reduces the need for back-and-forth pings. Inside that status panel, look for the option labeled Edit Suggestions and select it. This is where the magic happens. The Suggestions section is a set of presets you can quickly choose from whenever you update your status in the future. Editing these means you can tailor them to match the way your team communicates and the situations you encounter most often. Here, you can update the suggested statuses you'll reuse every time. Aim for short, clear phrases that convey your availability or context at a glance. Think about the common moments in your workday: focused work, meetings, short breaks, or times you need fewer interruptions. Use wording that your teammates will recognize instantly and keep it consistent so people understand it the same way every time. If your team follows certain norms or terminology, reflect that in your suggestions to keep everyone on the same page. Consider including hints about timing or priority in the wording, so your teammates know whether to message you now or later. The goal is to make your future status updates a two-click action, saving you time while keeping communication transparent. Once you've finished refining your suggestions, you're set. The next time you update your status, those personalized options will be right there, ready to use. It's a small investment that pays off with faster updates and clearer expectations across your workspace. And there you go. That's all you need to create and customize reusable Slack status suggestions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more organized day on Slack.